Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing the Clean Skin Club Clean Towel XL, a bestseller in facial cleansing cloth with over 1 lakh purchased last month. Are this biodegradable, dermatologist approved face towel really worth it? Let's find. This is the 50 count pack, but they also come in 100, 150, 200 and even 300 count option if you want to stock up and save. The towels are super soft, lightweight and dermatologist approved. They are designed for all skin type, even sensitive skin. Now let's talk about its feature. It's 100% USDA bio-based and biodegradable, eco-friendly and sustainable. Clinically tested for clear skin, reduce irritation and redness. It's bacteria-free drying, unlike regular towel that can harbor bacteria. Ultra soft and vegan, no harsh material, just pure softness. It also works great for removing makeup, absorb everything without tugging on skin. So, is the Clean Skin Club Clean Towel XL worth it? Yes. If you want a clean bacteria-free way to dry your face or remove makeup, it is a must-have. Now, what do you think? Would you try this clean towel? Comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more skincare reviews. See you next time. And if you want to buy this product, then its link is available in description box. You can easily buy from there. Thank you.